Hey guys, this is Scarface95 here. I'm reviewing a pretty interesting device here. This is actually a LCD drawing or writing tablet, and with a push of a button you're able to erase everything cleanly on the slate as if nothing happened. And this requires absolutely no batteries at all, which was actually really intriguing to me. As you can see, the tablet is razor thin. There's no place for any kind of battery that I can see of anyway. And the measurements of this thing has an 8.5-inch screen, so it's a pretty nice handheld device that you can use either landscape or portrait mode. The little plastic stylus that it comes with is able to house right into the tablet, and it's really easy to remove. You can only remove it from the front, and it might pose a little bit of a problem if you wanted to mount it, say, on your refrigerator. There is grooves on the back where you can actually stick magnets to it, but unfortunately magnets do not come straight out of the box, which is a little bit of a bummer. But anyway, still talking about the stylus, it is pretty nice. It's just basically made out of plastic and shaped pretty ergonomically, and the tablet is actually kind of pressure sensitive, so if you do press harder, the marks are a little bit more pronounced. You can also use your fingernail too to write on it, but again, that's not as easy, and the marks are not as dark. If you were to just try to use the soft part of your finger, nothing will show up on the actual LCD screen. So you really want to take advantage of the stylus that it comes with. And another cool thing about the stylus is that you can actually use it to prop up the tablet as if it were a stand. There's a little hole right here on the top corner that you can use to prop up the tablet. So initially I really enjoyed using this tablet. I thought it was really cool and really unique. I do like that it doesn't require any batteries at all, and that it's really easy to just replace and erase things. It's almost like a replacement whiteboard, right? Well, not quite. See, the problem with this erase button is that it erases everything on the screen at once. There's no way to selectively erase a portion of the screen. If you wanted to, say, make a reminders list and you wanted to just erase a part of the screen when you've already finished it, but no, when you want to erase and press that delete button, it just deletes everything on the screen. What I would have preferred was that the back of the stylus act as if it were an eraser, so I can selectively erase part of the LCD screen. But because that's not the case, I find it really hard-pressed to recommend this device, because what exactly would you really use this for? Only if you are so sure that every time you use it that you can just erase everything, you're not worried about it saving. Otherwise, why don't you just save the note in, say, your smart device or something like that, where you can save the note and also erase selectively whenever you want. Yes, it will use up a battery, but at least you don't need to have another separate device that you have to carry around with you. So I think this $10 tablet had a really great potential. It just had one major flaw that really makes it a deal breaker, I think, for most people. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like. It'd be greatly appreciated. And make sure to subscribe to my channel, Scarface95, if you haven't already, to get more content like this. Or if you're watching this on Amazon, head over to my channel URL right here, or just search it up on YouTube, Scarface95. There you'll see a bunch of my product reviews and unboxings. Feel free to browse, or if you want to search for something specific, just hit that search field. That'll do it for this video. This is Scarface95. Thanks for watching.